We're 12,840 feet climbing. In another couple of feet, the good Lord will be meeting us and ask us what we did to deserve to come in. Well, I'm just going to tell them we're stopping by. Just take a rest. Show us the way back. Oh, shit. Look at this. Give him some room, Lynn. This is... Yee-hoo. Yee-hoo. Look at that. That is spectacular. Yeah, we're up here with
what, the airplanes. We're at almost at 13,000 right now.
We had to put a red flag on our antenna so planes don't hit us. And
12,960.
And there it is.
You can see the sign for yourself.
Move me up a little bit closer. Now stop and hold it. And there it is. 12,960.